In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a form by moving it to trash. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along confidently. You should already be viewing the form you want to delete. If you just opened it, take a quick moment to confirm it's the correct one by glancing at the title and a couple of questions. Deleting will remove it from your active workspace, so make sure you don't need to keep editing it or collecting new responses. If you want to preserve anything, consider saving a copy of the content or downloading responses before proceeding. Once you're sure, you're ready to continue. Look toward the upper right area of the form's top bar. You're looking for the three-dot icon, often called the More Options menu. It typically appears as three vertical dots and might also be labeled More Options when you hover over it. If your window is narrow, you may need to maximize it or zoom out slightly to see all icons clearly. Click that three-dot menu to reveal additional actions related to the form. In the menu that opens, find and select Move to Trash. This option is specifically designed to remove the form from your active list without immediately erasing it forever. Go ahead and click it. You may see a brief status message or a visual change indicating the form has been moved. After this, the form should no longer appear alongside your active projects. A quick note about what trash means. Moving a form to trash typically places it in a temporary holding area rather than permanently deleting it on the spot. Many platforms keep trashed items for a set period before they're permanently removed, giving you a safety net in case you change your mind. If you ever need to restore it within that window, you can usually do so from the trash area. If the option isn't visible for you, it could be a permissions issue. For example, if the form is owned by a team or another account, you might need edit rights or owner approval to move it. In that case, check your access level or contact the owner. And that's it. You open the form you want to delete, click the three-dot More Options menu in the upper right, and chose Move to Trash. With those quick actions, your workspace stays tidy, and you still have a grace period if you need to bring the form back. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you streamline your form management.